Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 10, mensuration. So in this chapter mensuration we are going to see all the fill in the blanks most important question in this video. Okay, so let's start here and you can see. Well, so actually here I want to say this video is especially designed for the Telangana State Board and Andhra, okay na, State Board. So let's see here, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding this paper or something else from here, right? So let's see this here. So 13 to 21 you can easily see here, right? Then 20 to 29 you can see, okay? Then 30 to 40 you can easily see here, okay? So then after here the answer sheet is given. I hope there is nothing in this answer sheet. So I mean I want to say that you don't have any kinds of doubt in this answer sheet. Is it clear for you? So if it is clear for you, then we will meet another video. Jai Hind.